Hey folks, Manny here. I wanted to show you how to record your webcam in Windows 11. And the first thing you have to do is go over here to the start, then search for camera. It should come right up, and then you'll come here. Now if you take a look, there's this settings, and then you have to go into camera settings. You have to go into camera settings if you have multiple cameras you want to use. And then Microsoft will say, are you sure you want to switch? Yes, I do. And now, if you go back here, you can see that your cameras are connected and you can adjust them if you need to. Also, if you need to adjust your audio settings, it's under camera settings as well. So click on audio settings. Yes, I mean to do that. And then you can pick your speaker as well as the microphone that you're going to use if you want to switch to a different one. Once you do that, just click this little arrow up here and you're ready to shoot your 30-second challenge clip.